Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Nick Thorsch here, coming to you live from my home. And behind me, I'm going to show you a quick breakdown of the math of how to make $1 million. I saw this actually with a image of Kevin Hart on LinkedIn. And once you see the numbers, it actually makes sense because one, it puts you in an abundant mindset. Uh, that, again, there's what, 8 billion people on this earth, and all you might need is 250 of them to pay you 4,000 to make a million, or 5,000 out of 8 billion. There's been several people in the ClickFunnels community that have made $1 million. Some of them have sold products at $700, some at 1,000, some at more. So that roughly translates to about 1,000 people or more. And again, the focus is, of course, not going to be on the making of the money, but of course on providing a valuable service or product in the marketplace that's well positioned, a solid product, something that you believe in and something that others will believe in. That all underlies, of course, the exchange of money, the value exchange. People are going to pay for your specialty or your expertise. I've been doing internet marketing since probably about 2000, when I was an eBay trading assistant. Then I did Facebook apps and worked with a company that did $20 million a year online down in San Diego about 10 years ago, and have been helping clients since then. And I never really did a lot of lives or built up an email list, but I should have been the whole time. So if you have a business or you're looking for something to get started with, then I can help you with that. So let's break down the math on this. So I put over here, first of all, we're to help businesses and entrepreneurs sell more online. So I've spoken to some CEOs lately, and they have businesses that they have been running offline. Maybe they've been doing events, and they want to bring their business online. Maybe they have an online business, but haven't seen or unlocked other avenues to make more money online. So I'll give you some examples. One event business, he serves CEOs. He goes to them in person. By event, I mean basically in-person businesses. He wanted to be able to take his knowledge, put it into a course, and sell it online. He put it into a course, and then just needed help with going to the B2B market or the B2C market, and actually manifesting opportunities and getting people to pay. Another business, they have an online service. They provide a website where you can go to and get more followers for your Instagram. And so they basically connect to your account, go out and like and follow others. So I said to him, I was like, well, why not create an online course where you teach people how other ways that they can do to create more followers, fans on Instagram. They can do better pictures, things like that. Because I have come across a ClickFunnels course with a community member, and he made $1 million doing that as well too. So that's definitely a possibility. So the math of this is simply sell a $200 product to 5,000 people. Sell a $500 product to 2,000 people, a $2,000 product to 500 people, so those are the inverse of each other, or a $4,000 product to 250 people, or a $5,000 product to 200 people. Or if you go the subscription route, which I've done before for client services, people tend to stay around for about 3 months. So you want to have something that is going to be positioned to be an essential service for their continued growth. Take, for example, the Instagram follower service. Now, most people do stay around for about 3 months on that one, but if they're targeting people who think of Instagram as a business, where they want to build up an e-commerce brand, they want to be an influencer, where they want to, say, do photos or things like that, they're going to need to continue to build followers. And so if your service is good and provides results, then positioning it as, hey, this is a service that you can stay with, we're going to be constantly improving, and we're going to be constantly staying up to date on any changes in the platform, implementing new things, and so you're going to want to stay with us and position in a way where it's like, okay, that makes sense. Get that mindset right from the start. That's how you keep a customer for a while. I've had a local SEO client that stayed with me for a long time because I initially positioned it to him as like, hey, we're going to be your partner. We're going to continue to build content. We're going to continue to build backlinks and continue to be there for you if your website goes down. So we're essentially his marketing partner for a fraction of what an employee costs. So it makes a lot of sense to him. And so he pays $750 per month, which is actually more than this. So the key is having a system to be able to get these numbers on scale. Obviously one customer is not going to get you by, but if you have 1,000, then you're at just $83 a month. Then you're doing $1 million a year. So the math here is 5,000 at 17, 2,000 at 42, 1,000 at 83, 500 at 167, or 250 at 333. And that's for 12 months. So if anyone's watching either live or watching the replay, I'd love to know, what's your business ideas, or do you need some ideas? Do you need help packaging this, positioning it, pricing it, launching it, getting it out to the market? So I think right now it's essential that we're doing everything we can to make as much money as we can. Why? Because we don't know what's going to happen next. We don't want to rely on the government printing money. We want to be able to rely on our own entrepreneurial ship and create more money, create more jobs, help our businesses thrive, survive, pay off any loans, like SBA loans we might have had, things like that. So you want to maximize your potential. So if I can help you do that, let me know. I'm thinking about putting together a course or subscription program. If you're interested in any of that, let me know. So one key thing with getting people in a course or in the subscription is to ask as well too. So there's this concept called an ask campaign, where you're basically asking people, what are your biggest challenges related to X, Y, or Z? How can I help you with this? So on and so forth. Just get to know your customers. That's one thing that I heard from a venture capitalist as well, which is just talk to your customers. So this is me, a little bit nervous, going live, talking to people out there. Anyone who watches this, would love your feedback, positive or negative. Take it all with constructive criticism. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.